Ano pong petsa?
1990, mga July ho.
July. Anong oras po kayo napunta sa kanya? Umaga? Tanghali?
Umaga.
Umaga. Okay. I have no more cross, Your Honor. May I just request that the official receipt dated February 21, 2012 be marked as
What is the date of the notary?
The notarization is July 26, 1990, Your Honor.
Can you check whether that date is business day or a holiday?
Ayun na. Thursday, Your Honor.
Thursday.
Ano na? Nasaan yung ano? Nasaan yung...
May we state for the record, Your Honor, that the certification is to the effect that this is to certify that in accordance with the records of this office, a certain Maria Beatriz S. Montoya has never been commissioned by this court as notary public for in the city of Manila. That's it. Makati, I'm sorry. Makati.
Proceed.
Your Honor. Mr. Witness, I am showing to you a certified Xerox copy issued by Ricardo L. Castro, City Treasurer of Marikina, for the year March 18, 2010, showing that the official real property tax receipt was paid by Corona Maria Cristina R. Ang ibig sabihin po ba nito ay hanggang March 18, 2010 na nagbabayad ng amilyar ay si Mrs. Cristina Corona?
Ako po nagbabayad yan since 1990.
Since 1990?
Opo. Nung makakuha ko na yung property.
Meron po ba kayong mga resibo? Nakatunayan kayo nagbabayad? Para paki-examine mo na ikaw matalo sa mata. Sige po, kayo na po ang pumili ng ano, inyo pong records yan eh. Ito po ba?
Ito.
Ito po. Witness handing to this representation, official real property tax,
Ito.
dated September 14, 2001. Mr. Witness, sinasabi po dito, doon sa receive from Maria R. Corona. Hindi po ba ibig sabihin na nagbayad ay si Maria Cristina R. Corona kasi sabi nga, receive from?
Hindi po. Dahil hindi ko pa una itatransfer sa pangalan ko yan. Kanya, ando pa rin sa pangalan niya.
Ang ibig po niyong sabihin, yung pera sa inyong bulsa nang gagaling,
Opo.
pero ang resibo ay sa pangalan ni Mrs. Corona.
Tama po yun.
Ganun po ba yun? No more cross, Your Honor. Hindi na po kailangan. Sinagot na nyo. Salamat po.
Are you true, Counselor?
Yes, Your Honor. No more question on cross-examination.
Any redirect?